Hi, this is Mitchell from BrainWire. Today I'd like to introduce you to our HC-SR501 PIR motion IR sensor module. This unique device is a cost-effective way to detect the presence of humans and animals in a space. With its 3 output pins, VCC, output, and ground, it's compatible with numerous platforms such as Arduino, Raspberry Pi, PIC, ARM, and 8051, all thanks to its 3.3 volt TTL logic output pin. It operates with an input voltage range of 4.5 volts to 12 volts with 5 volts recommended. The signal pin outputs at 3.3 volts TTL. What makes this module special is its ability to differentiate between objects and human or animal movement. It offers 2 operating modes, repeatable and non-repeatable. It covers up to 120 degrees and 7 meters. It has very low power consumption of just 65 milliamps. Once powered up, this PIR sensor needs around 2 minutes to calibrate itself. The sensitivity and time duration of both modes can be easily adjusted via 2 onboard potentiometers. In repeatable mode, the output pin goes high when a person is detected, and it stays high for a set time regardless of whether the person remains within range of the sensor. In non-repeatable mode, the output pin remains high as long as the person is within the sensor's range, and it goes low after they leave. This device is made from a pyroelectric crystal right here, which detects heat signatures and living organisms, and a Fresnel lens, which widens the sensor's range. Common applications for these sensors are automatic lighting systems, burglar alarms, motion detectors for security cameras, and industrial automation control. This module operates within a temperature range of -20 degrees to 80 degrees Celsius. It measures 33 millimeters wide by 24 millimeters long by 26 millimeters high. This is a fantastic sensor to elevate your DIY electronics projects with high quality, precise motion detection. Remember, BrainWire is your reliable partner for quality electronics components. Check us out at www.brainwire.io.